Tech, satellite TV experts. So we want to do a final capturing of everything about 10E C-band. Now 10E C-band, we have done a lot on it. Go back to my previous videos. So it needs a dielectric because it's a circular frequency, not the normal linear. Any frequency that says 0404 R or L is a circular. So because of that, you will need a dielectric. A dielectric comes with your LNB. If you open your LNB, if you buy a new LNB, you see a dielectric inside like this. It's something like this, but I don't have it. I have something like glass like this. Because it is R and L. R is H, L is vertical. So just go back to my previous videos, you see them. So because of that, we're going to use something like this to convert the circular to what? To a linear polarization. So that's how we do. So that is number one. So I told you that any frequency that has R and L, you will need a dielectric. C-band setup. C-band setup is big LNB like this. It's not the dish. It's not the dish that make it a C-band. Some people will just see a big dish and say it's a C-band dish, and see a smaller dish and say it's a KU dish. It's totally wrong. So let's continue. So our 10 degree, Eutelsat 10 degree. So let's see, assume that we are back in the dish and this is 0. We are moving from 0 to this place. Like I told you, you start counting from 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So to make it easier for you, you can track 7E first. Assume we want to track 7E first, then we track 10E. We start from here. If here is 0, yes, 5, yes, 7. Immediately you get to your 7 degree, you take it up like this, standing like this, take it up. Then when you got your 10E, your 7E, sorry, then you now move to this side to get your 10 and bring it down. So this is how your 10 will look like. That means 7E is higher than this. After you track your 7, you move it to this side, then your 10E. Assuming this is your 7E, then you move it to this place, then you bring it down a bit. Then you get your 10E. Stay tuned, we continue. So quickly, now, please take note of this. Don't make any mistake. You don't need this cover. This cover is what they use to stop your dielectric from pulling out inside. So don't, if you use this, if you block it here, you've blocked your signal. So the first thing you need to do is this. You must have a dielectric. We're going to confirm if there's any difference between using a dielectric and not using a dielectric. Now, number one, this is how your 10E LNB will face. Like this, exactly like this. This is how it will face. Face like this. It is like the order is the LNB thread is on 12 o'clock. Like this, not like this, not 6, not 9, not 3, but on 6. Then number 2, please, if you can get a 5G LNB, it will be better. 5G LNB stop interference, especially when you're living in an environment that have telecommunication masts. Get a 5G LNB. So that's it. Now, number one again is this. Please make sure this on this LNB holder, yeah, on this LNB holder, this very one you're seeing here, the LNB holder like this. Make sure that you put it on number 40. I don't know if you can see it here. Number 40. There's a 40 here. This 40 like this. This thread like this should be placed here. Number 40. So that's it. And the final one is this. Your dielectric, how do you fix it? Just the way this one is facing like this. Can see it like this. like this. Just put the LNB, just put the dielectric like this, straight like this. See, look at it very well. Not like this, not like this, like this. So look this side to be this way. The mouth is facing up. The dielectric come like this. There's a line in between to guide you where to put it. So to go like this in the mouth. So when you put it like inside like this, not like this, like this, like this, straight, and not like this. Put it like this, you won't get the signal. So technically it's like this, slanty and not standing. So stay tuned as we continue. We're going to do the final setup now. I'm going to use this 4040 R0332. 4040 R0332. So when you see R, it, because you're going to convert it to using the dielectric to convert it to linear, change that R to H. So on your satellite finder, you type 4040, or you start with 04040. Instead of putting H, because you won't see H there, choose H. Then on the symbol rate, use 0332. So we have converted that arrow now to H. Now there's another signal that made of the, let me get another one. The other one is 3001 R2330. So convert that arrow to H, it will now become frequency 3 or 03901 or 3901 H2330. That's it. So just hold on. We're going to get to, I told you that we're going to use like this. So we're going to do two setups. The first setup, we're going to do the one with dielectric. After we got the signal with the dielectric, we're going to pull out the dielectric and place it on the same position and see if we are going to get the signal without a dielectric. So we're going to feed the dielectric now. I told you like this, straight like this. Put it inside. Make sure you get to the end like this. You can see it like this. You can see it. Can you see it? Trying to is not coming up, but this is how it is. So we're going to maintain that 40 I told you about. That position 40. Look for the 40 and put. So we're going to put it straight like this. I'm going to bring it down. I got a 40. So put it there. Good. So fix it. Now come back. Camera, come back, come back. Come down, come down, come. Let's see. Move with me. So come. Now come. Come to this place, come to this place, come to this place. We want to see the elevation at the back. So we're going to see the elevation at the back. So the elevation at the back, it's going to be somewhere here like this, because I've already done the setup. Put it like this. So we're going to see if we can get a signal like this. Just switching on the stuff and see. You can see the signal. The signal is fluctuating. Okay. So one of the reasons why this thing is fluctuating is because this is not the original dielectric, and probably it will still have some effect on it. So this is what we've got the signal so far, but you can scan for other things. You can scan. Let me still adjust the signal a bit. It's fluctuating. It's fluctuating. Let me see if it can be stable. Stable. So we keep on adjusting it from this place. Okay. So now take note, we have fields. A lot of fields are on 10E, live feeds. They only come up when the signal is live. Understand? So let's go back again to our LNB. Let's go back to our LNB. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Adjust the LNB from this side to see if that fluctuation can be able to stop. So just make sure that that's why I say yeah, you have to use 40. Put it on the 40 on the dot. If not, you get a lot of fluctuations. So I'm trying to adjust it from here. So go back again and see the signal strength. Take it back again. So from your own end, just do all adjustment, fine tune to be stable. So this is what we have here. Let me see. A whole lot of channels here. A whole lot of channels. So just take your time. I have about 50 channels here, and see if you can get them running and working. So I don't know what's causing instability. So you can also adjust from the dielectric also and see if it will be stable. Okay, so go again. So it's from the dielectric. I'm sure it's from the dielectric. It's from the dielectric. And get a 5G network. 5G will make it stable. 5G, that is a 5G LNB. So stay tuned. I will continue. Okay, so we finally done the setup. So this is what we have. See, please get a good LNB. For it to be stable, you need a very good LNB. There are got over 50 channels working. So just make sure you get a good LNB and you'll be good. You'll be fine. Just get a good LNB. You'll be fine. So this what you do. The signal strength is okay, and that is the basic thing. The wind has blown it. Let me get it again. So that's final setup. So let's do the measurements. Come here. So let's do the measurements. So from this place now, let's see from how will I start from now? For those of you who want to Let's see the measurement from here to this place to the end here. From here to the end, from the top here, from this top to this place, the ground here, we have about 3 feet. This 3 feet here. So after 3 feet, I have 3 feet, 4, 3, 1, 1, 1. Is this thing showing to after 3 feet? This 3 feet, then this 3 feet. After 3 feet, we move to somewhere 110. So I don't know what I call the 110. So stay tuned as we're going to look at tracking the same thing without a dielectric and see if it works. With a dielectric, this is what we have. We have this signal with dielectric. We are going to move it now and see if we get it without the dielectric. Hold on. So we want to remove this. This is where the position is, like facing the sky. So I'm going to remove the dielectric. I've already marked that point. I have marked this place. You can see the mark there. I marked it. Then I mark the button. I'm going to remove the dielectric and see if we can see get the signal. So with the dielectric, we still have this. Then without the dielectric, what do we have? I've marked somewhere here close to this hole. So just to remove the dielectric and see if you can get the signal without a dielectric. I'm going to take out the dielectric now. We'll take out the dielectric. Remember, this is not original dielectric, this is plate. So you won't get a stable signal like when you have the original dielectric. If you see how my signal was fluctuating, so try and get the original dielectric. If you buy a Cband, it will come with it. So for stability, get original dielectric. So I remove the dielectric. So I'm going to place it here. I will go back and see. I marked it here. So I'm going to put it the way it is. I'll put it here the way I removed it. I'm going to key it back. I'm going to key it back. Okay, come to this place. So get here. What do we have here? Okay, so let's take it up and see. Taking it up to the exact place I moved it from. So cameraman, come here. This is the exact place I removed it from, that hole. So what do we have? Without a dielectric, the highest I could have is 8%. So a dielectric is a must for 10E and any other signal that has RL, that is secular. So the dielectric will convert it to regular linear frequencies so that you can get everything working. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.